Hey everyone, happy almost Friday, aka Thursday. Today we just went over our plot diagram of our Three Little Pigs. So this guy, I'm sorry you can't have a real book, our Three Little Pigs graphic novel. Super fun. We filled in the plot diagram, I want to say it's page 19 in your virtual notebook or journal, so this is where you need to go to get there. That's where you need to go. And then also I will post with this recording your our completed one. It's from my last class, but in case you missed any of the boxes, it's there. So don't worry. And then your work is due tomorrow, really. So don't forget that in week 3, what we have is your checkpoint via Illuminate, your one-man band dialogue, your theme, your membeam, and then don't forget to do your journal entry for your reading. So that is really it. 1:30 to 3:30 is the time that I sit here with my help meet link pulled up so that y'all can check in, ask questions, share your screen if a login or something's not working, and I can try to help you out to fix it. So hopefully I'll see some of you there if you have questions. If not, I will see you tomorrow morning, and we'll go from there. Bye, guys.